If you want to change battery animation on your POCO M8, like in my case, as you can see, it's much bigger than default. First of all, you have to change the theme on your phone, and to do that you have to just start by opening themes application, and now we have to search for theme with the different battery animation. So I can recommend you this one if you like that one that I have, the colorful 26 Pro. It does have the new battery animation, but of course you can just look for some others. Like we can try, for example, this one. Let's see how it looks and if it is actually different from the thing that I have. So we are gonna apply this one. We're gonna lock the screen. Now I'm gonna just turn off my always in display. And okay, so it looks like in this specific one, for this developer, we can find only this animation. But I believe there's some other creators that actually add some other animations. You can let me know in the comments if you find something cool.